I'm Joy Daniels with the Joy Daniels Real Estate Group. Thank you for joining me today. I want to talk to you about everything you need to do to keep your home and yard in tip-top shape this summer. With the change of each season comes a new set of maintenance tasks for your home. Now that summer's here, you'll want to prepare your home and yard for the onslaught of summer heat. From air conditioner upkeep to hanging a clothesline, these simple chores will keep your home happy and healthy. Check your home's smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to make sure they're working properly. Inspect your air conditioners. If you haven't already, prep your air conditioners and fans for their busiest season. With the help of your spouse, install window air conditioning units. Remove and clean the filters before firing up the AC. If you have central air conditioning, consider a professional servicing. Clean all ceiling fans and other fans with a damp rag. If you have high ceilings, a ceiling fan duster can help you de-grime those hard-to-reach blades. Enjoy a dry spell. Install an outdoor clothesline to dry your laundry in the summer sun. You'll save money and energy by skipping the dryer. Plus, who doesn't love the smell of air-dried sheets? Clean your outdoor cooker. Give your grill a deep cleaning. Polish your porch. Thoroughly sweep painted porch floors, then mop them with an all-purpose cleaner. If there's a lot of buildup, dirt on the floorboards and things, you might need a scrub brush. Analyze your deck. Look over your deck for signs of rotting and hammer in any nails that are poking up. Then determine if your deck needs resealing. Sprinkle water on the deck boards. If the water beads up, you're in good shape. But if it soaks right in, it's time to reseal it. Wash your windows. If you didn't tackle exterior window cleaning in the spring, well, now's the time to get your glass clean. Make much ado about your mulch. Add a layer of mulch to keep weeds down and help the ground retain its moisture in the heat. It'll give your plants a chance to grow. Be a leak detective. Check your hoses and exterior faucets for leaks. Even a tiny drip can add up to a big waste of water. Pinhole leaks in hoses can be covered up by winding regular electric tape around the dry hose in the overlapping layers. Primp your plants. Deadhead both perennials and annuals to keep them productive. If you have visible dead foliage from spring bulbs, pull it out to maintain a tidy look. But if the daffodil or tulip leaves are still green, leave them alone. They're busy nourishing the bulb so they can bloom again next year. Plan your watering schedule. Train your garden to endure dry days by watering deeply a couple of times a week instead of watering lightly every day. This style of watering will promote the growth of deep, strong roots. Stop the dirt at the door. Keep summer's mud and muck outside, not with one but two doormats at your main entry door. Place a coarse mat at the exterior and a softer cloth one on the interior to catch the most dirt. Better still, instruct your family members to remove their shoes upon entering. I am sure you have already completed many of these projects, but I hope that I was able to share and encourage you with other projects that you may not have thought about. If you're thinking about a new home this summer, at Joy Daniels Real Estate Group, we have a team of qualified, experienced listing partners and buyer specialists who are ready to work with you to make every real estate process a positive experience. If you or someone you know is ready to buy or sell a home, give us a call today at 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. Or you can visit us online at joydaniels.com. Thank you and have a great day.